Totally remolded home in 2017-2018 by Jones & Jones. You will love the open floor plan, 12 feet ceilings and wonderful windows supplying gorgeous lake views from every room. New kitchen with lots of custom cabinets, large center island with seating for 4 and bar and coffee serving areas nearby. Beautiful stacked stone fireplace, large transom windows and a huge screened porch make this home ideal for entertaining but cozy for the smaller gathering as well. All utilities, mechanical systems and appliances replaced along with the siding and flooring. Enjoy the 4-bedroom suites with new bathrooms, fixtures and lighting. Spacious lower level with bar area, 3 bedrooms and a wonderful view from covered patio and sitting areas. Enjoy the accent tree lighting in the rear along with all the professional landscaping. All this and more with great privacy. This will be like moving into